What is an Android APK file? APK file is actually it's just like an executable you have on Windows. If you want to install a software application, anything on Windows, you have an executable file. In the same way, if you want to install something on an Android device, you have an APK file. Okay, this APK file actually a normal user doesn't see because we have a Play Store for it, and the Google's Play Store is actually automatically managing the installation of the apps. We just write the name of the apps on the Google Play Store, and when we click on install or download, and it just downloads it and installs it, on our Android device. But normally, if you create your own app and if you don't put it on the Google App Store, uh, for example, if you create your app using Android Studio, so you will get an APK file generated, and so this APK file is normally it's your compiled uh, Android source files, like these .java files in Android, which are all converted to .class, and then a dex file is generated, and all of those resources, your images, your XML files like Android XML, Android, sorry, manifest file, etc. The resource file. So this a combination of your compiled sources and your resources, compiled code. I mean, this combination of the compiled code and your resources is an APK file. So if you create your own app using Android Studio and you want to test it, of course, you will have to install this APK file on your Android device. In the same way, some of the websites also, uh, you they offer APK download. You can just go and download an APK file, so it's and then manually install it, so some websites also give an APK file. But normally, whenever you want to install an app on an Android device, you simply go to this Google Play Store, and you just click on the install, and then the APK installation is handled by the Google Play. It all happens in the background, and you don't see that APK file. But actually, there is always an APK file behind this Google Play installation also, because the Android device installs those APK files. So just like whenever you install something on the Windows, there is an executable file behind that. So this executable file is running to install software on the Windows. So this .apk is then this is kind of an executable for the Android device to install the Android applications. Yep. So this it says here that APK file has a package file format. So it has a package file format because the Android operating system uses this package file format, and it is used to distribute and install Android-based apps, as I explained. It stands for Android Package Kit. So APK stands for Android Package Kit. Okay. So I hope you understand. It's very simple. You can just simply in one word remember that it's just like an executable for Windows. Just like you have an exe file for Windows, you have an APK file for Android to install apps.